Hey guys, Dale from Peace Rocks and Garden. I'm going to do a review of a product. Never done this before. Anyways, I bought this 18-pound vibratory tumbler. It was advertised as a rock tumbler from Legol, pardon me. Hopefully I'm saying that right. As you can see, the base is, well, very dirty. There's a reason for that. It started leaking everything out of the tumbler bin. So I do a lot of rocks. Now, I've done maybe 5 sets from, and I haven't used 60-90 grit in this. The only 120 and above, so 120, 500, 1200 grit, and then the finishing grit has gone in here. So no 60-90 grit either. And I've maybe put 5 batches, so I don't know, 15 tumbles at 24 hours to 48 hours. That's the only use this thing has seen. And if you look right there, it's worn a hole right through the side of the bin. You got these little tabs and they kind of protrude out. And you can see there, that one's starting to thin out, as that one. But this one right there has worn through. So the last batch that I had going, I stepped away for, I don't know, 8 hours. Came back to a concrete mess because it basically had vibrated dry because it allowed moisture to leak out all over the base. Created a gargantuan mess. So definitely not stoked. Not even 8 months, well, about 8 months worth of use. This should have lasted longer, in my opinion. Way longer. So, fail. Do not recommend the Legol electric due to the shitty bin. That does fine. That's still going strong, and I think it would go strong for a very long time. That, not so much. So, at this point in time, I would not recommend buying this if you plan on rock tumbling, because you are not going to get the value, because it wasn't cheap. It was $400. You're not going to get the value for the amount of use out of that little bin. So, hope you find this useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.